Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 68 plate Mercedes E220 AMG Line Premium. Now this is a lovely car with a fantastic factory option. So the car itself is finished in Selenite grey metallic, which is a fantastic colour, shows off the lines of the car very well. Then on top of that we've also got the night package. So looking through to the centre grille, you've got the gloss black detailing within that, gloss black on your lower lip, gloss black on our window surrounds, we've got privacy glass, we've got gloss black mirror caps as well. And then this one is riding on the upgrade alloy wheels. So this is a 20-inch multi-spoke alloy, again with the gloss black detailing in the centres. Normally that comes in a sort of dark grey, so the black, it just pops against the diamond turned outer edges. But a nice car, you can tell it's truly being cherished by the previous owners. Obviously AMG-Line is that full exterior sports body kit, nice sporty bucket style seats inside. Night package also gives you that nice lower rear diffuser, nice dual exhaust, rear parking sensors with the reversing camera as well. But bodywork wise, a nice straight car. LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors. Coming through to the interior is a lovely dual tone sport seat, so half leather, half Alcantara in the centres, so it allows the seat to breathe, nice and grippy material. But then just looking at the actual bolsters, obviously this is where you tend to pick up your wear over time, but they are in superb order. Then looking through to the rear seats, just pull of a lever. Those seats look like they've barely been used. So two seats in the rear, obviously Isofix on both of them. We've got our central cup holders there as well. We've got rear vents for the rear passengers, so they get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. A bit of underleg storage. Obviously all the AMG tailored floor mats are still there with the vehicle. Coming through to the door cards, the premium specification starts to show here now. So we've got the fully electric three-way memory sport seats for the driver and the passenger. So ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver one, your partner can be driver two. Press of a button and this will fully adjust your mirrors, the seat and the steering wheel to exactly the way you want it. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, boot opening found just there, obviously heated front seats as you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. Fully electric steering column, nice and easy to use. Now on these newer style E-classes you can control everything off of the steering wheel. So this side here controls the display up ahead. So on there we've got our cruise control and speed limiter. If I press through to home, that will give you the trip computer, navigation, radio, media, telephone, assistance and services. So pressing back through to trip, as we're doing the video here today, the car's only covered 38,859 miles. Now on the other side, this controls the display in the center. So if I press through to home, that will take you to the home menu and allows you to go through all of the actual menu there as well. So on there's our voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. And then going through to the center screen, obviously it is quite a big large screen, so nice and easy to follow the Sat Nav. Sat Nav is nice and easy to use, very responsive. Radio is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. Multimedia, obviously you've got your Bluetooth music on there as well. Vehicle information, system settings, you've got your web browser, Mercedes-Benz apps, link and information connect. Following through is climate control and air conditioning. So you can press through to menu and this will bring up the display there. So it's a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. You've got all the shortcut buttons for the display, so your navigation, media, radio is all found on there. Obviously lovely Mercedes-Benz clocks. And I'd say the fit and finish of these are absolutely second to none. So we've got this lovely aluminium trim all throughout the car. It is quite light inside the cabin, but you can see this lovely sort of blue ambient light which runs all throughout the dashboard, onto the door cards, and even down the center console there as well. We've got this lovely sort of open pore wood effect detailing, which I think looks fantastic. Lots of bright silver inserts all throughout the car. Now in here you'll find 2 cup holders, 12 volt power outlet. You can actually remove the cup holders and use that as additional storage if you choose to do so. You've got your center scroll wheel for the display up ahead, obviously full dynamic drive select, and when you change it over you do definitely feel a difference. So you've got individual, so you can adjust it to exactly the way you want it. In sport mode you can tell the revs have just sort of gone up straight away. If you put it into comfort, the revs will then drop again, putting you into comfort / sort of eco mode. Flicking the car into reverse, that brings up your reversing camera. We've got the guidance lines on there as well, so when you turn the steering wheel it shows you where you'll end up going. Volume controls, obviously button for the seat belts as the nice and easy sort of retractable seat belts. Central armrest is in nice order. Within there is your satellite navigation, SD card and 2 USB ports. Now the vehicle is supplied with both keys. All the original books, papers, documentation, that's all found in the glove box. Obviously full Pan Am roof is a fantastic feature, so you can tilt this open, you can slide it all the way back, you can close it up as well with a power blind, so if you want it darker in the cabin you can do that too. But a fantastic car. The drive is superb. It's a 9-speed automatic box on one of these, so silky smooth through all those gear changes. Put it into sport mode and you definitely feel a difference. Stretches out all that gear ratio, and you've got plenty of power under your foot. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. On sales there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.